Complete the sentences. February is the second month of the year. March is the third month. April is the fourth month. May is the fifth month. June is the sixth month. July is the seventh month. September is the ninth month. October is the 10th month. November is the 11th month. December is the 12th month. Pair work. Ask and answer the questions. Click on the kites for questions. August is the 8th month. December is the last month. Look at the letters. Write them in the correct order to make the names of 3 months. Write the names of the months serially.